नमस्कार, मैं विनीता जायसवाल आप सभी का केयर एंड होप्स चैनल में स्वागत करती हूँ। ये एक ऐसा चैनल है उन मासूम बेजुबान प्राणियों के लिए जो कुछ बोल तो नहीं सकते पर हमारे से प्यार की उम्मीद ज़रूर रखते हैं। तो कुछ जानकारियों के लिए आज हमारे चैनल में डॉक्टर समा हालदार का स्वागत करती हूँ। नमस्ते डॉक्टर सर। आज हमें आप ये बताइए, हम जो पेट पेरेंट्स हैं आज के दिन में पपीज़ को अडॉप्ट करने के समय किन किन बातों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए?
So, ma'am, it's very nice question you have asked, because whenever we have to purchase or adopt any puppies, we have to look into some of these important things like where from we will purchase, which breed we will purchase, and how is our own environment or home environment. According to our needs, we have to select the puppies. Where you are staying in a flat or house or in a bungalow, or you are having that some backyard space where your puppies can have some more space. You have to be very clear to you that for which purpose you are wanting puppies or dog. That is very very important.
थैंक यू सर, आपने बहुत ही अच्छे से हमें समझाया इस बारे में। कुछ और क्वेश्चन जानना है कि जब जो पपीज़ हम लाते हैं, बहुत ही छोटे उम्र के पपीज़ आते हैं, लाइक 2 मंथ्स 3 मंथ्स के रहते हैं, और आज के जो न्यू पेरेंट्स हैं, पेट पेरेंट्स हैं, तो उनको ये नहीं पता होता उनके फूड क्या होते हैं, किस तरह के फूड हम उन्हें देना चाहिए, दिन में कितने बार हम उन्हें खाना दे सकते हैं, उनके मील के क्या इंटरवल्स होना चाहिए। तो प्लीज़ ये भी आप हमें थोड़ा बताएं।
Ma'am, before going to the foods or meals, it is also very important to know at which age you have to adopt or purchase the puppy. Puppy should be adopt or purchase around 8 weeks of age, because that is the proper age when the the puppy will be weaned. Weaned means मदर से जो मिल्क लेता है वो मिल्क छोड़ेगा, और some home food they will introduce. Breeder will introduce some of the foods. And regarding the meal, what food the breeder is offering to puppy, you have to continue for some days, and accordingly afterward definitely you can change, switch over, but that switch over should be gradual. And if you want to switch that company immediately, the puppy may suffer some of the digestive problem like that. Puppy should offer a commercial dry food, and that too one standard is there of American standard, APCO we used to tell, that according to the standard the dry puppy food and is very very good for the health of the puppy. And regarding the number of meals, in initial stage of life up to the 5 or 6 months, you can offer 3 to 4 meals per day, and as the puppy will grow up you can reduce the number of meals.
जी सर। तो सर आपसे अभी हमने ये जाना कि जब भी हम पपीज़ लेकर आते हैं तो वो मदर मिल्क के ऊपर डिपेंड होते हैं, तो ऐसे में हम मील तो उन्हें दे रहे हैं, बट क्या वाटर की रिक्वायरमेंट है उनको या नहीं?
Regarding the water, for puppies you should have the access of the water, edible water, proper water, clean water access to the puppies should be always there throughout the day and night. Whenever the puppy will feel that I want to drink water, that puppy should get the access to the water. That water availability should always be there. As per the need, puppy will drink.
जी सर। सर मुझे एक और महत्वपूर्ण बात ये जाननी है कि वैक्सीनेशन, उसके क्या एग्जैक्ट राइट पीरियड होना चाहिए फॉर पपीज़, कब हमें वैक्सीन देना चाहिए, क्या इंटरवल होना चाहिए वैक्सीन्स के, और कहाँ पे हम वैक्सीन्स ले सकते हैं, तो प्लीज़ ये भी हमें आप हेल्प करें।
Proper vaccination in proper time, that is very very important. So there are different type of vaccines, and generally we can divide the total vaccines in 2 parts. One is core vaccines and others are optional vaccines. So core vaccines are mostly the DHPPIL, those what we call that DHPPI, that means distemper, hepatitis, parvo, parainfluenza, and leptospira is, though it comes in the combined vaccine, in the form of combined vaccine. In some places in world, leptospira is very common where there is the prevalence of rats are there. So in those cases, leptospira is a core vaccine. In some of the part where those rats and others prevalence is not there, they made that Leptospira vaccine as a optional vaccine. So as a core vaccine, those DHPPIL, distempered hepatitis, parvo, parainfluenza and Leptospira, this is the most important vaccine. Mostly these vaccines, these diseases are viral diseases, and these vaccines will prevent those virus to make the disease in the puppy. So if I come chronologically, at the 4th week of age, first the puppy vaccine should be there. Different type of companies produce different type of vaccines, puppy vaccines, like Novivac company, they used to produce the puppy DP. This is a very common name, puppy DP. The Virvac company, they used to give DHP, and some other company also, Intas and other, they are also coming up with some of the puppy vaccines are there. So at the age of 4 weeks, you have to give first vaccine, and before that, one thing it is very, very important to understand throughout the life of the dogs or puppy or dogs, that before vaccination, it is better to have one course of deworming. After deworming, we have to go for the vaccination. After 3 to 4 days or 7 days, we have to go for vaccinations. And DHPPIL primary, booster 1, booster 2, and then the other vaccine is the very, very important vaccine is the anti-rabies vaccine. So between all those two sorts of vaccines, there should be gap of 21 days. So we will give first vaccine on 42 days, primary vaccine, apart from those puppy vaccines, which is supposed to be given at 4 weeks of age. And as I told, the proper age of adoption or purchase of the puppy is around 8 weeks. So these puppy vaccines and the primary DHPPIL vaccine, that will be done in the breeder side.
सर ने बहुत ही अच्छे से हमें समझाया, जो आज के न्यू पेट लवर्स हैं या पेट पेरेंट्स हैं, तो सर से बहुत जानकारियाँ उन्हें मिली होगी। सर और एक बात हमें जानना है कि आज हम बहुत ही बिजी हो गए हैं अपने लाइफ में, हम अडॉप्ट तो कर लेते हैं पपीज़, बट उसको प्रॉपर टाइम नहीं दे पाते हैं, तो पपीज़ ऐसे में ट्रेनिंग भी नहीं ले पाते हैं। आपके हिसाब से क्या हमें पपीज़ को खुद से ट्रेनिंग देना चाहिए या कोई ट्रेनर रखना चाहिए, और उनकी क्या उम्र होनी चाहिए जब हम उनकी ट्रेनिंग पीरियड स्टार्ट करते हैं?
ट्रेनिंग, as we know, charity begins at home, so you have to do training from your home by your own. So some common things very well you can start: sit, come, all those few commands which are very common commands that you can start in your own home, and whenever the puppy will obey your command, just one reward you give, that at the age of 5 months the maturity of the brain of the puppy comes in that state when he will be able to take the command of the trainer.
सर देखिए, आज तो हमने अभी बात किया एडॉप्ट कैसे करते हैं, उसकी ट्रेनिंग पीरियड क्या होनी चाहिए, उनके मील क्या होते हैं, वाटर कब देते हैं। अब इन सब से हट के थोड़ा हम आते हैं बच्चों की तरफ। जो हमारे घर में बच्चे होते हैं, पपीज़ आती है, तो वो बहुत अट्रैक्ट होते हैं, इमोशनल उसको प्यार करते हैं, बहुत टच में रहते हैं। तो ऐसे में कभी हम देखते हैं बच्चे पपीज़ को बेड पे सुलाते हैं, तो क्या ये अच्छी बात है कि बच्चे एंड पपीज़ एक साथ दोनों बेड पे सोते हैं? ये प्लीज़,
दिस इज अ कॉमन प्रॉब्लम इन टुडेज लाइफ
जी।
When I see sometimes that puppies are, owners are allowing the puppies to sleep with their own bed, which is not recommended. If you allow, means the puppy will do blackmail every night and will come in the bed. And that's why always it is preferable to make one comfortable arrangement for the puppies to sleep or spend the night. You can make one soft bedding material in one corner of the flat or home. Keep one good space where the puppy will feel safety. You select one good area in your house, keep the soft bedding and allow the puppies to spend time there. Not only the soft bedding, for small puppies you can keep one good cage, good quality cage. The puppy will, whenever puppy will feel insecure, he will go and sit in that cage.
जी, ये तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात हमें आज पता लगा है कि बच्चों एंड पपीज को एक साथ नहीं सुलाना चाहिए।
Another
जी
thing which I forgot, that not only that you should not allow your puppy to sleep along with you.
जी
Another thing, whatever I was telling earlier, that meal, you never allow the puppy to eat from your own plate, or you should not give the hand feeding. Animals, as they are not able to speak or tell,
जी
they show whether they are sick or not. The primary thing is that animal will live eating. So initially we will not be able to understand whether my pet is sick or not. Then we can go to the doctor, we can call the doctor, and we can do the investigation and treat properly. And if the animal puppy is habituated to eat from the owner, madam owner, then he will not eat from the others. So he will not be able to go outside also in your emergency work also. Animal, generally in hand feeding animal, puppies or dogs, they used to swallow the food.
True.
As the animal will swallow the food, there will be lot of issues with the dental problem.
जी
The dental tartar, dental caries, gingivitis, so many things will come. So lot of bad smells.
मासूम पपी को हमारे अपने घर लेकर आते हैं तो बच्चे उन्हें क्या करते हैं, एक फैमिली मेम्बर समझते हैं एंड दे आर फैमिली मेम्बर्स, वो हैं भी। तो ऐसे में क्या, जब चॉकलेट्स बच्चे खाते हैं तो उनको भी शेयर करते हैं।
No. This is
तो
very dangerous, ma'am.
हाँ
Few of the things which you should always keep away from the puppies or dogs. Number one is the chocolate. Never you have to give the Cadbury chocolate, and which is very common that our babies or our children are taking, and sometimes they are sharing with the puppies.
जी।
This is very dangerous.
सर, तो अभी समर चल रहा है, ओके, तो ऐसे में पेट लवर्स अपने पपीज़ को कुछ फ्रूट्स देना चाहते हैं, तो आप क्या सजेस्ट करते हैं, किस तरह के फ्रूट्स हम उन्हें दे सकते हैं?
All other fruits like apple, cucumber, watermelon, all those things you can offer very easily, very nicely, and they will religiously they will take.
और दूसरी बात सर, आपसे ये जानना चाहते हैं कि हम अक्सर देखते हैं पपीज़ के नोज़ कभी वो वाटर रहते हैं, कभी ड्राई दिखते हैं, तो ये कारण क्या है?
Whenever there is the chances of, if there is any symptoms of fever, generally those nose will be dry. And you, as we know, we are in human beings, we don't have that much of hair like animals or the dogs or puppies. So we can sweat throughout the body, but animals cannot sweat out throughout the body. They only can sweat from very few places. Amongst that, the nose is there.
आई होप आपको चैनल हमारा बहुत ही पसंद आ रहा होगा। हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, हमारे साथ बने रहिए।
Myself, Professor Dr. Somar Haldar. Now I am heading the Department of Veterinary Surgery and Radiology, the only one veterinary college or university of West Bengal, which is situated at Belgachia, Kolkata. And I have a total experience of almost 27 years in this field of veterinary science. And whatever I told, not only this is the bookish knowledge, this is not a bookish knowledge. This is many of the things I told from my own experience. So you will not get all those information in any book. But if you follow these channels or these lectures, you can understand some of the practical things which will be very, very beneficial for your puppies to grow to a healthy dog.
हमारे पेट लवर्स, उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको हमारा चैनल केयर एंड होप्स ज़रूर पसंद आया होगा। आप सभी से एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारे चैनल्स को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, और जो आज सर ने जानकारी दी है, हमें बहुत ही अच्छी जानकारी दी है, तो आप से रिक्वेस्ट करती हैं कि हमारे कमेंट बॉक्स में उसमें प्लीज़ हमें कमेंट करके अपनी ओपिनियन बताइए कि आप लोगों को हमारा चैनल कैसा लगा। और सर से आपको किसी तरह की पेट के बारे में जानकारी लेनी है, या कैट हो, डॉग हो, फिश, कुछ भी आपको जानकारी लेनी है, तो कमेंट बॉक्स पे या अपने बातों को ज़रूर लिखकर हमें बताइए, जिससे हम इस एपिसोड को और आगे बढ़ा सके, अच्छा बना सके। आपका जितना प्यार मिलेगा हम उतना आगे जाएंगे। आप जो भी जानकारी लेना चाहते हैं आप इनसे ज़रूर जानकारी लीजिए। आई होप आप हमारे साथ रहेंगे। थैंक यू एवरीवन।